Welcome to lesson number 10 of A Single Reed Learner's Guide to Bassoon. We're going to talk about all of our left hand keys today. In our last lesson, you already learned a few notes using our left hand keys, but we'll discuss the rest of them. Your left thumb is going to stay on that whisper key on the back. Remember, that's the stack of thumb keys on the wing joint, the one on the outside here on the back, bottom of those four. If you're not sure if you found the whisper key, tap it and it should move this whisper keypad up top by the vocal. For our first finger, we put it on that first open tone hole like we discussed before. That combined with the whisper key will give us an E. Second finger will give us a D. Third finger will give us a C. And then we've got two pinky keys here. Before we get to the pinky keys, remember to check that your fingers are completely covering these tone holes. I push on these tone holes, check my finger pads for full circles or full ovals, and that lets me know that I'm completely sealing each of these tone holes. Remember that your wrist should be relaxed, open C hand, thumb on the whisper key, 1, 2, 3. Now, your left pinky has two keys that it's in charge of here, and there are actually rollers between those two because as you get more advanced on the bassoon, you'll roll between those two. The top pinky key for your left hand here is called the E flat key, and the bottom is the C sharp key. We're not going to use those for now, but just allow your pinky to hover or gently rest on those keys without pushing them. Again, we don't want our pinkies to stick way up like we're at a tea party. Just rest right there, don't fly away. As you explore the bassoon, please take a look at all the fingering charts and diagrams, the key to the keys, the fingering chart labels that I've provided in the resources page and along with this lesson. If you're confused about where your fingers go, which finger goes where, and what the names of all of these keys are, I've provided all of those resources for you in the lesson page and on the resources page. Your assignment for lesson number 10 is to go ahead and do worksheet for lesson number 10, which is just labeling these left hand keys. You'll label which note you get when you push each of those keys, as well as which finger you use to push them. Continue on to lesson number 11 to learn all about your right hand finger keys. After figuring out all of these different fingers on lesson number 10, go ahead and explore songs that include F, D, and C in the first 10 songs of your Essential Elements for Band book.